YouTube. So we've got this blue Nissan Dualis. I've got to paint first up this morning. I got most of the prep work done last night. Got to go today, I think. It's not on the list, but the boss said he wanted it to go. I've just recovered from a serious case of man flu. I was really crook for like, I don't know, 4 days. Like really bad. Couldn't bloody move, hot and cold sweats and that. But you know, show must go on. I did actually take a couple of days off work there. That was bad. But yeah, back to it, mate. That was annoying because I had all these plans for the weekend. I was going to get some videos edited and bang, I was on my ass. Caught up on a bit of TV. Been watching The Shield. I never got into that show when it was new. Couldn't get right into it. I don't know, it just didn't really interest me back then. I wouldn't say it's awesome even now, but yeah, it's something to watch, I guess. So yeah, going to be using my new DeVilbiss spray gun on this, the DeVilbiss DV1. So I probably won't be publishing this video for a while because I want to get my review on my main channel up. I want that to be the first video that people see with that gun, and I'm keeping it hush hush on Instagram and all that. I don't care if I'm the first one in Australia with it, even though I am. Like, I just don't want to create any drama these days. I don't think DeVilbiss guys in Australia like me getting it first. They get a bit jealous. Yeah, so this masking line here was really rough, as you can see just here. So I decided to move it, step it back to the next line, and just neaten that line up a little bit for the owner. This bumper's all been done before. It's actually flaking clear all over the bloody thing. So I sanded it back and a bit of a tidy up. So I've got some plastic primer in here, just for that little edge. There's obviously no plastic primer on that edge and I don't want my paint to flake off. Now I'd like to get this one done before morning tea. Then I'll jump onto the other car that's out there that's got to go today. So yeah, I've got 2 to go today and the other painter's got 2 to go today. He's got a little Golf in there at the moment, and then we've got a Mercedes van and a Ford Mondeo. Yeah, that's a bit of plastic primer, should make the paint stick a bit better. And these days I've been putting down my base coat blender first, and it's been working well. If it works, why not do it? So this gun here, just I laid the 599 in it. Just find it doesn't need to be cleaned out every time I use it. And as far as the PPS go, I don't like using them for base coat, I've decided. So 3M were kind enough to sponsor me a box of their PPS2s per month. And I've used them a few times on base coat, and I'm like, the colour matching stage is actually messier and yeah, just harder to do when you've got the PPS. I find it easier with the standard pot. Because I like to rip a bit of the old colour over the new colour so I can see which direction it's going, make sure it's going in the right direction. And yeah, that's just real tricky to do with the PPS pot. So I'll just be using the PPS to clear. That's fine by me. It works. Works well. Honestly, I don't find standard pots a big deal at all. I don't mind them. You see some people and they're just so in love with their PPS or RPS. It's like, man, standard pot is really not that hard to clean out. It takes all of 2 seconds. I mean, sure, I prefer the PPS for clears. It's a little bit quicker, but nothing wrong with an old pot. Yeah, so the DV1. Check it out. Nice size sound on it. Nice atomization. So this is probably only the 3rd time I've used this gun. They reckon it's primarily a base coat gun, but I've been using it for clear as well, and it grades clear fine. It grades clear better than the HV25, which they said was a clear cut. So I don't always listen to them as far as what you should do for base and clear. But yeah, definitely lays the base coat down nice. But it lays the clear down too well to just say it's just a base coat gun. So HDLP plus 1.2 is the setup on this one. Full fluid, full fan, and 1.5 bar pressure for base coat. So they reckon with this gun, if you currently use a 1.3 DeVilbiss, now with the DV1 you want a 1.2. Looks just about covered after the 2nd coat. 3rd coat will be a effect coat, final coat. Then we'll slam a couple of coats to clear down. Honestly, like I had a look at this air cup next to the TE20 Down here barely looks any different. Like all the holes are in similar spots, the same spots, the sizes of the holes are pretty close. I think one of them had slightly bigger holes on the air cap, like these ones here was slightly bigger on the TE20 or something. When I do my review, I'll do like a bit of a photo of side by side against a few of the other air caps, and you know, they haven't done a full overhaul, which is kind of good. Like, yeah, I don't know, something that ain't broke doesn't really need fixing, does it, you know? I don't know if I like it, the looks of it as much as the standard. I like the, not engraved, but whatever, like the, I don't know what the word is, but it has DeVilbiss written in the handle. Indentation type thing. Sure someone will tell me the right terminology for that. See, I feel pressure on the jumper. Why's that? I feel I can drop that pressure now from last go. Got the metallic just drop on nicely. I just get a feeling that this would spray water really nice too. So HCLP plus. HCLP plus what? I don't know. So I did the colour matching on this and colour was quite good. So this is like a friend of the boss's car, this, and these repairs here were freebies. So he didn't want to go and blend the door, he just said match the colour. Barely a blend there, not a blend, it doesn't matter, just colour match it. It looks good anyway, so. Yeah, so it lays the base down pretty nice, as you can see. I mean, it's not really a hard task to lay base coat down nicely, really, is it? Rightio. I'm gonna go out, get my clear mixed up, and I'll see you back in 5 or 10 minutes. Rightio YouTube, back to it. So ready to smash this clear down with the new DV1. Technically a base coat gun. I say to hell with that. I'll use it for whatever I want to use it for. If I want to use it to clear, I'm using it to clear. And you know what? I want to use it to clear. And it works fine. Just give those flames a light back rag, they can feel pretty clean. So there was these rubbers up here that were actually glued on with double-sided tape, which is why I decided not to paint the entire pillar. Usually I would these days. So I went just 2.5% boozer in my liquid glass, plastic glass. I think I've mixed up a little bit too much, but I'm not too worried. It was just like at the end of the can, and it wasn't worth leaving 100 mil of clear in the bottom of the can. And so I'll mix it up. We need to use it on, I'll probably use the rest of this clear up on the next job. That's what I've been doing these days, just put a coat on, go around, do a round, come back to the start straight away. Minimal flash off time. It's not like full tackle match, but it's pretty damn close to it.